Welcome to India Degree College. My name is Jagadishwari. I am your English lecturer. We are going to have the third semester syllabus. In previous sessions you have seen some part of the syllabus that has been taken in our classes. So I think in the earlier classes you have learned one poem, one lesson and some part of the grammar that is relevant to you. And in today's session we are going to see few words which are being given in the poem and that has been written by the person Kamala Das. The poem name is Punishment in Kindergarten. Punishment in Kindergarten. So this is the poem where you are going to have to study with the things that you are going to feel your memories of your childhood days and what are the things that are done in the school days. Not only those school days, your memories, your things and your emotions, and that are the spent, those instances that are being spent in your pre-school life of the days there. So those are the things that are being memorized again, and you can have even with the saying of the memories of the school days that are being done in your things there, in your things, and what are the things that are going to be happening, or you can memorize, you can feel, and what are the invert and extrovert characters that a teacher is being presented by you or that is praised by you, and how you are going to feel at what times in a group or in alone or even with a lot of people that are being expressed by you in you. So these are all the things which makes you to remember the things and the feelings that are being expressed by you in your school life or in the even in the school life, that makes you in the recollection of the memories of your school activities, which may be even in the happy ones, and you can have in the seeing or the memories that make you in the unhappiest situations there. So for all those remembrances and what are those things that are being expressed in your school days, and these are the group of the events, or even by being alone or by being in a group or among the lots of people, how you are going to spend your time can be seen by the having of you yourself when you go to some extent to the outside there. And those are the things that you can have to change, that psychologists or the people, even when they are going to learn with the period of these psychologists, they will be having of different personality in the attitude of your childhood and adulthood that makes in the adequately deal of such a person in so small age, and what is your response that you can give. And psychologists also suggest that these are the childhood experiences of personality that makes you yourself to adapt to become into an adult, and also you can grow even completely out of order, or you can also even forget of your childhood things that are being praised by your teacher at the time of the praising of the people there. So these are the points which are going to have to you by the revealing of the poem that is penned by the God of yourself, the punishment in which you are going to get in the school days or even at the age of small age. So what are the events that are going to be happen in your school days before 5 years, then how do you spend these in the kindergarten activities can be affected to become when you are going to come into the adult stage. So those can be recorded and responded and observed by the teacher, that can be made into the understanding of the poem of these punishment in kindergarten that has been written by this Kamala Das. So we can see the poem of itself by the having of the few points that is being expressed in the poem Punishment in Kindergarten. So you can see what is the poem that is there. You can have this poem Punishment in Kindergarten. So those are the things which are being expressed in the poem Punishment in Kindergarten. So Kamala Das is the writer. Kamala Das is the writer. She expressed, because she has been influenced of all the feelings and emotions which she were in the age of these kindergarten schools of the memories of learning there. And what are those different kinds of the feelings and emotions that are going to be exhibited by Kamala Das is very well explained in this poem. So before that, these activities of the things that are being done by the children in the school activities can be seen there. And what are those? Just you can, I shall give some few points how they are going to remember by you. So first one is, you can see that remembrance is one of the factor. Then remember, and what do you remember, and what are those activities or what are those things that are being expressed in the remembrance of your school days that are going to be taken in the session. So these school days and these feelings of the remembering is one of the concept that is being expressed in the activity that has been taken in the place that is called as your school there. That school is again reference to these kindergarten before age of 3 to 5 years. So when you grow to the adult, you should have to recollect of all these emotions and the feelings which has been expressed in those even spent the school days there. So that is why you can have to remember the point that how you are going to spend, or what are the memories that you are going to spend in your school days. And along with this remembrance, you can also see happy memories and unhappy ones. So these remember is the one aspect. Then memories of happy and unhappy ones. So for both, remembrance is one of the important factor. Then happy memories of the things that can be accepted in happy things and unhappy moments there. So those are the events of the memories that you can concentrate more on these 2 points. Then remembering is one of the concept, and memorizing is also one of the concept of your school days when it is related to this happy and unhappy ones there. So for that itself the statement has been made, do you have happy memories of your school days or unhappy ones? So those are the things that you are going to point out in a picturization, that you should have to be in a sort of happy memories of your school days and the unhappy ones of the memories of your school days. Just you note of 1 or 2 points so that you can have your changing of your steps from childhood days to adult ones. And what was the best thing about your school life? Not only along with these remembering and memories, what are the best? So one of the best you can call, and what is that may be best itself in your school life, so that you can have the best thing that has been done by you. and even the activity or even the drama or even the memorizing of the concept of one of the best. So you can call or you can differentiate the word this best in means on the whole, or it is very markable there, so that can be called as your best there. So this, however, you can have the what was the best thing about yourself or your school life, then what is added along in the school life of you as a best there. And also not only with the best, and also your two side you can see best, and what is the opposite of this best is also worst. Even the good things and bad things you can see of worst also. So either it may be good or either it may be bad. You should have to be mostly focused on two things here. You should have to see from starting itself. From each and every word you can see of these two things, happy, unhappy. Two words are there. They are going to have the characterization of some happiness, some unhappiness, and remembrance and the memories, and even with the best and with the worst also. So you just compare the two words which are going to be a resemblance in the poem from both the corners that can be identified by you. So what is the thing that is going to be happen can be well seen from these points. What was the best thing about your life and what was the worst also. You can have to better look at about the worst also. So from this also you can have to know the best thing and the worst thing itself. Then fourth point, you can have to maintain what is the relationship. Then what is the relationship? What is the relationship with the teachers? Then how you are? Then what is your thing? And what are the ship which you are going to maintain with your teachers also? You can identify how was your relationship with your teachers there. Then how is your relationship with the teachers? It may be joyful, cordial. Even if you do not have any evenly thing that may not suit with the environment of you to be either to be best or to be feel, then how you are going to have your relationship with the teachers with the having of feeling there. Then what are the feelings and emotions that at that time you can be called there. And these are even the words that can be attached with the teachers, how you are behaving with your teachers, and what is the point out of the relationship with your teachers can be expressed in this point also. So these are the points which are there. Then what how they are going to behave and how you are going to cooperate with them. What are the points that you are going to have your feelings with respect to the teachers is being added in such an age of your school there. So this is the relationship in which you are going to maintain with your teachers at the time of your feeling there. So whatever the things are being added, you can have to be accepted by you that these are the things that are being done by us, maybe good or even wrong, or maybe right or wrong, and even maybe true or false also. So these are the things that you make use of them into the knowing of you yourself that can be accepted, and maintaining of your friendly relationship with your teacher. Then this can be felt by you as long as you are with the teachers. That should be there you, not only in the small age of your childhood days, that can be modified, and that can be the basic step that can be added in your adulthood stage also. So these are the some of the points that is maintained by you with the relationship of your teachers when you are going to feel with her. Then when you are whenever you are punished, so all the things are going to be happen. Then the one more word that is going to be taken as the punishment. So the punished, or the word punished, and that it has been got from the poem. Then when you ever punished by your teacher, then same thing, the feeling of how it comes. So what is the you made with the relationship, then you got your punishment. Then after maintaining some days of your relationship with the teachers, either you may good or bad, and sometimes the reason may comes you to be hurted by you, that may be in the punished by the teacher. So after punishment, then you can again come to the other word that is there, maybe in the having of rewarded or praised. So for this punishment, you can have to see with the one word or reward and praised. So both words, you can see these both words, punished, then at the same time you can see of these rewards and praised. So these rewards and praised. And what are these rewards and praised by the teacher can be done by you at that time. So punishment you got, feeling is there. Then at last this punishment makes you, or that may takes you in the case of your rewards by a teacher. At that time what will be of your feelings there. And these are the things that can be happened by you in the statement of knowing of these words while you are going to have your rewards and praised with the teacher there. So you can have the points to be remembered one after the other that are going to be done in a sequential way. At last from these you can have to be knowing of other words, that is introvert and extrovert behavior there. So introvert and extrovert. So introvert. So with this word also you can see extrovert behavior in your same school days itself. Introvert and extrovert, those are the two psychological words which are going to be exhibited mostly from the childhood days only. Then what is your introvert behavior? Extrovert behavior can be understood psychologically by the doing of some activities and knowing of your results upon from all these 5 points. Then how you are going to behave, the total personality and the total the doing of the work of the activity of a children can be seen by these introverts and extroverts with your physical appearance. Not only with this physical appearance, what are the work activities that are being taken by you, and what is the nature of you by birth, and how you are going to have you yourself in alone or in a group or in a lot of people, and total actions and everything is noted by these two characterization words of the behavior that can be taken into the consideration. So at these behavior and what are you now present in the school days, and when you are going to have your modifications in the when you grow up in the feeling of your changes there. And not only with the physical appearances, and what are the things of actually that are going to be done and taken by you in the having of the feelings of these introverts and extroverts characters of the nature, which the people or the small children are going to have their appearances and doing of all such activities can be noted from the starting of the childhood that is going to be taken in these kindergarten schools. And that is the punishment that has been given here is the kindergarten, and that changes may occur not only in the childhood days as long as you are growing up also. And these are the few points which you are going to have your suggestion by birth itself before the age of 3 to 4 years. The things how you are going to mingle with the children in a group, or even when you go or when you be in a fall of group of people also, that can be understood mainly in the working of the things that can be seen by the characters, can be exposure to all the teachers when you are going to have such a place in the opting of the situation. So that is the situation of the place where you are going to have your punishment, or that is going to be observed of the things of the activities which has been created by you in all these various events of the things there. So this can be again virtually noted by only teacher will be there. So she will be finding out of all the actions in the school, and these are the things that are going to be done in the childhood days of the people there. Then at last from this you can have, these are the common and a few most points that can be expressed when you are taking of you yourself or small children when they are going to join in these playwright school or whatever the activities that are being based by the learning of these things there. So with this you can have the things of the people, those who are joined in these kindergarten schools, and the points that has to be remembered from both angles. You can see from two-way sides, either it is happy, unhappy, or even the remembrance and the memories, and even the best and relationship, and this punishment and rewards, and you can also have the new words of these introvert and extrovert. So these are the extroverts, and these are the words that are going to make the changes in the attitude of the children, those who are being expressed in the changing modification of their childhood days to into adulthood days, that is cycle which has been done in the kindergarten school levels of the learning. So that this makes the slowly gradually the changing in the adulthood stage as long as the days pass on. So what are those things, again you can have to see in few more points in the having of the session that has to be taken.